Top 10 Highest Paying Technological Jobs in 2021. We are living in a time of flux, with jobs lost to automation while other jobs require specific skills and qualifications. And with the new year 2021 rolling in, if you are giving your career some consideration to make sure you are future-proofing your skill set or perhaps moving into a new field altogether, here's everything you need to know about the top 10 highest paying jobs in technology for you. Read all about the highest paying jobs below to see which interests you the most. And once the decision is made, the next step is to figure out the kind of training and practice, or certification you'll need to transition into one of these highest paying job roles. Highest paying tech jobs. Number 10. Product Manager. So in the list of the highest paying jobs, you would have definitely heard about this one, becoming a product manager. A product manager helps to determine parameters around the product an engineering team builds, then leads the development of that product from conception to launch. Some of the skills required for a product manager are a strong understanding of the concept of product lifecycle management, knowledge of product management tools like Pivotal Tracker, Jira, and Asana, strong analytical skills, exceptional time management skills. Product managers are responsible for delivering an operating plan that can help achieve strategic and tactical goals and objectives, building a product portfolio, managing and implementing marketing activities, and contributing to the product strategy and its vision. The average yearly salary of a product manager is over $100,000. Number 9. Artificial Intelligence Engineer. An artificial intelligence architect develops, manages and oversees initiatives within an organization. An AI architect should have deep knowledge in mathematics and statistics. In addition, an AI architect will have solid programming skills and know Python, R and Torch, understand how TensorFlow and other similar technologies work, have a clear understanding about technologies related to AI, including machine learning, neural networks and deep learning. The average yearly salary of an AI architect earns over $110,000. However, you will find various highest paying jobs within the AI domain too. Number 8. Full Stack Developer. Today, there are over 23 million developers globally, and by 2023 it would reach 27.7 million, definitely making it one of the highest paying tech jobs in the industry. It is difficult to pin down a definition for a full-stack developer, but the closest description would be someone who is well-versed in both front-end and back-end development, or someone with skills in every stage of development from concept to end product. Some of the knowledge and skills to become a pro full-stack developer is technologies such as MongoDB, Express.js, AngularJS, and Node.js show to design and develop an app, coding and scripting, fundamentals of web development, basics of database technologies. A full-stack developer might be responsible for designing and building APIs using mean-stack technologies, ensuring the applications created are responsive and keep to the required standards, making sure the created code has integrity intact, and implementing data security. The average yearly salary of a full-stack developer is $106,000. Number 7. Cloud Architect. Next in the list of highest paying jobs is Cloud Architect. A cloud architect deploys and oversees an organization's cloud computing strategy. Some of the skills and knowledge required by a cloud architect include a thorough understanding of cloud application architecture, knowledge of Amazon Web Services, AWS, Azure or Google Cloud Platform, good communication skills. A cloud architect typically is responsible for developing cloud architecture, developing a cloud strategy and coordinating the implementation and deployment of it, and ensuring application architecture and deployments in the cloud environment are done properly. The average yearly salary of a cloud architect is $107,000. However, within the cloud computing field too, you will find various job roles and responsibilities that pay handsome salaries, and you can find about cloud highest paying jobs here. Number 6. DevOps Engineer. Next in the list of highest paying jobs is a DevOps Engineer. It could refer to someone on the development team taking part in the deployment and network operations, or to someone from the operations team working on application development. Some of the skills required of a DevOps engineer include coding and scripting, understanding deployment and network operations, familiarity with DevOps tools like Git and Jenkins, knowledge of Linux or Unix system administration. A DevOps engineer might be responsible for designing and maintaining a deployment infrastructure, integrating cloud services so that processes can be automated, or shell scripting in PHP, Python and Ruby. The average yearly salary of a DevOps engineer ranges from $95,000 to $140,000. Number 5. Blockchain Engineer. A blockchain engineer specializes in developing and implementing architecture and solutions using blockchain technology. The worldwide spending on blockchain solutions is expected to reach $15.9 billion by 2023, meaning there will be plenty of demand for blockchain experts, across industries and geographies. From a bird's-eye view, a blockchain engineer should have solid programming skills and a thorough understanding of the technologies behind Ripple, R3, Ethereum and Bitcoin, as well as consensus methodologies and the security protocol stacks, crypto libraries and functions. The average yearly salary of a blockchain engineer is over $150,000. You can also download the Blockchain Engineer Career Guide to know the learning path, top skills and ways to build a successful career in this field, and also get an in-depth understanding of why it is referred as one of the highest paying jobs. Number 4. Software Architect. A software architect optimizes the development process by making design choices and dictating technical standards such as coding, tools and platforms. As part of their role, they identify a customer's requirements and perform hands-on work to develop prototypes. Some of the skills required of a software architect include data modeling and understanding of software architecture, good programming skills, strong analytical skills. The average yearly salary of a software architect is over $114,000. Number 3. Big Data Engineer. Internet users generate about 2.5 quintillion bytes of data each day. To harness and gain insights from such a huge amount of data, over 97% of organizations are investing in big data and AI. Clearly, the next in the list of the highest paying jobs is Big Data Architect. A Big Data Architect plans, designs and manages the entire life cycle of large-scale developments and deployments of big data applications. Some of the skills required of a Big Data Architect include understanding Hadoop, Spark and NoSQL, as well as data warehousing technologies, programming skills, data visualization skills, excellent communication skills. The average yearly salary of a Big Data Architect is $140,000. Number 2. Internet of Things Solutions Architect. One of the most in demand and highest paying jobs today is an IoT Solutions Architect. The Solutions Architect is a leadership role of overseeing the strategy behind the development and deployment of IoT solutions. In addition to understanding IoT solutions, one should also have strong programming skills, an understanding of machine learning, and knowledge of hardware design and architecture. An IoT Solutions Architect is responsible for leading as well as participating in the activities around architecture and design, helping to develop an overall IoT ecosystem engagement based on the IoT solution framework, and translating business needs into solution architecture requirements. And in this highest paying job you can earn an average of over $130,000 annually. Number 1. Data Scientist. A data scientist, without a pinch of doubt, is the highest paying jobs across industries and sectors. There has been a 29% increase in demand for data scientists year over year and a dramatic upswing of 344% increase since 2013, and for all the right reasons. A data scientist analyzes and interprets complex data to help organizations make better and more timely decisions. A data scientist should be able to understand machine learning algorithms, create data models, code in language like Python, R, SAS and other analytical tools, identify business issues and provide appropriate solutions. The yearly salary of a data scientist can be as high as $150,000, making it the highest paying job role of 2021. However, data science as a field itself offers various opportunities and salary potential. For instance, data analysts and data architects too are some of the most in-demand job roles that are the highest paid jobs within the data domain. Subscribe our channel for more interesting videos.